This must be one of my favorite velvet cut-eye looks to make. So start off with a base. I'm going with this kind of sage green because I want to go for this greeny, goldy, really gilded looking nail. So I'm going in with that sage, and then over the top I'm going to be using one of these cat eye gels in a pot. I think this is like a Noe. I got it off Cookie, which I believe we have a discount code for, so you can always check those out. But use any kind of cat eye that you like. Just make sure it's a nice fine cat eye. So I'm applying that all over the green. So it's already giving us that nice sparkly gold looking color. Now I did add a little bit more just to make sure that it's nice and sparkly. Then you want to go in with your magnet. I'm using a bar magnet and I have placed it just in the middle of the nail just to spread all those particles to the edges. And then I'm going round and pulling them all back in, very slowly pulling them all back in. And we want all that gorgeous sparkliness in the middle of the nail. So just go round slowly with your bar magnet and pull all those particles to the middle. You will see it shifting around, so just keep on checking in the light if it's moving the way you want it. We're trying to create that velvet look, and I'm in love with it. Even before we've finished this design, that cat eye is just such a gorgeous way of adding something extra. So I've cured that in the lamp, and then I'm going in with a foil gel. So you want to apply a nice layer over the whole nail. So you don't want to go too thick. Don't worry about it being too thick. You want it to be nice and even all over the nail, and then cure it in the lamp. Grab yourself some transfer foil and you want to crumple it up. We want those little lines in the foil. So you'll see in a minute, I've crumpled it up like a sweets wrapper and then open it up, and then you can see it's going to have all these little lines in it, and that's going to help our design. So when the nail is out of the lamp, I got my fingers all gold, but that's okay. That's, the process. You want to start dabbing that foil on top of that gel, and just look at that. That already looks absolutely beautiful. It's such a simple design but so effective. Now you've got two choices: shiny top coat or matte. I'm going for matte because I think it gives it that kind of frosted look, a bit more velvety when you've got that matte top coat on there. So I hope you enjoyed this, and of course I'm going to show you the finished look in a minute, just so you can see how it moves, and that cat eye is still peeking through underneath the mat. Just look at that. I mean, it's stunning and it's so simple. I really hope you enjoyed this design.